Hey y'all, hi people. Alright, so today I'm getting ready to go to work. I did my eyebrows off camera because I always get distracted when I am trying to film me doing my brows, or it just like takes too long. And now I'm just using this Anastasia eye primer as the base for my lids because I am going in with this super light brown shade from the nude palette. And honestly, I went in with the brown first because I thought that would be darker than what it is, but it actually doesn't show up as pigmented as I wanted it to be. So I ended up going in with two different colors from this like James Charles Morphe palette. So I went in with this brown and purple shade. I mixed it together and I just started to blend it in. At first, I wanted to do a cut crease, but I realized that was gonna take me too long. Also, I had never really tried a cut crease, so I didn't want to try it on camera and then have it come out ugly and then have y'all roast me. And then I'm going in with the NYX glitter primer. I've found that whenever I use a glitter primer before I put it on any type of glitter, it just makes the pigment stand out more. Went in with this color right here. I'll just put it on the side of the screen since she doesn't have any names for her colors. Like it. I did not like it. This was my third or fourth time trying to look with this palette, and I honestly think that I am just going to either take it back to the store or just give it away to a friend because the color just was not popping. And usually I've tried her like concealer and foundation and that stuff is full coverage and very pigmented, but this glitter was not showing up the way I wanted it to be. But I just went ahead and packed more of it on to see if it would show up more. when it comes to highlighting and contouring, I stay between my NYX concealers and my Fenty. I actually use the Fenty concealer as my base, and then I go on top with the NYX Professional Makeup Can't Stop Won't Stop concealer, because that one is a little bit lighter and I like for my under eyes to be brighter.
Take a sip, you gon' trip. I'm like a cup of shroom tea in the morning. Coat your throat like hot honey. You gon' need water, then want some more of me. In your head, you gon' slip. I love on you, and then I leave you lonely. You want to get to know me. I'll agree in exchange for your soul, please, baby. You taste like me.
And then I also realized that since I was in a low-key rush, I was doing my makeup out of order, because usually I contour my nose first, then I do my brows, my eye makeup, and then I put on my foundation, then my concealer. But I ended up putting on my foundation last, so this is just me speeding through me putting on my foundation, and then I reapplied my concealer again. And this is where I realized that I should never wear a white t-shirt while getting ready for work, because some of my eyeshadow residue was sprinkling on my shirt, and although I was able to get it off, I could still see like some residue. So
your eyes, they tickle the pits of my soul. You make me go back and forth, round and round, side to side, up and down. It's gonna be high, it's gonna be lows. That's why I advise you to microdose, baby. You taste like maybe.
Pull the key out the ignition. Run your mouth but I never listen. You hold me back, will never ask you.
this was my first time actually using the Fenty bronzer. I didn't know how dark it was gonna look. I did swatch it. I was able to swatch it while I was at the store, and it actually came out looking pretty nice. So I'm just bronzing up my face.
Oh, keep talking all your shit, baby. Your words, they're driving me crazy. Keep talking all your shit, baby. You know that I don't fuck with all your little games. The way you make me feel, I'm in so much pain. I'm drowning in liquor.
Okay, so this first pair of lashes, I actually ended up changing to use a different one, because since I wanted more of a soft glam look, I didn't want my lashes to look too full. I wanted them to be a little bit more natural. Honestly, if I knew how to do a wing liner, I would have done that with this look.
Telling me you want me bad, but I know it's all an act. Something you say to get you away, keep talking all your shit. You say you got it all, but then you start to fall down. You say no fair, I never cared. Keep talking all your shit. Oh, keep talking all your shit, baby. Your words, they're driving me crazy. Keep talking all your shit, baby.
And with my lips, I am going in with the Juvia's Place Luxe Liner, this dark brown shade. I always start lining my lips with a thin layer so that I can see how pigmented the color is. Then I'll just add more as it goes and like rub it in. I'll rub it and pat it in. So this lip gloss I'm going in is called the Lip Liqueur by e.l.f. and it is in the shade Moody. Let me tell y'all, this is the perfect like peachy pink, ever for a nude lip. I applied that, rub it into my lip liner. I put on so much of this because I wanted it to be super pink so that it could match my eyeshadow a little bit. And then I went in with the Fenty lip gloss in the shade Diamond Milk. It has this very like diamond pixely look. So I put that on top to make it super glossy. It just pulls the whole look together because I have glitter on my eyelids, my nose is popping, and the lips have to be popping.
You know that I don't fuck with all your little games. The way you make me feel, I'm in so much pain.
And here's just an up close look of what my lips look like.
Been sicker, I'm not sober with you no more. With you no more.
So that is the end of my soft glam makeup look for me to go to work. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Do not forget to subscribe and also check out some other of my like get ready with me videos. Thank you for watching.